Hello everyone and Merry Christmas! Do you like my ugly sweater? Much better than last time, right? So around this time of year, people like to know how do you wish people Merry Christmas in German? And I'm going to tell you 2 ways to do that. I'm also going to tell you how to say Christmas in German. And this is a pretty simple answer. Today I have a special treat for you. I just found some lost footage from 2020 that's never been published of me attempting to explain the origins of the German word for Christmas. And it includes all of the quirkiness and craziness of a 2020 quarantine, so I'm sure you'll enjoy it. But first, I'll give you the simple answer to this question. How do you say Christmas and how do you greet people in German? So the word for Christmas in German is Weihnachten. You say it this way because the W is pronounced like a V. Whenever you have an EI next to each other in German, you always say the name of the last letter, so that makes it Wei. The H makes the sound a little longer, so Wei rather than Wei. And then the CH is usually this kind of deep. And then the rest of it is a lot like English. So Weihnachten is the word for Christmas. And if you want to wish someone a Merry Christmas, you can say Frohe Weihnachten. Frohe Weihnachten. And what you'll notice there is when you have the E on the end, that makes an sound. And it happens everywhere. So Frohe Weihnachten. Or if you want to be fancier, you can say Fröhliche Weihnachten. Fröhliche Weihnachten. So if you need more pronunciation tips, check out my alphabet video. I will link that here somewhere. But otherwise, let's move on to the lost footage. I think you'll love it. So now that I'm done getting ready for Christmas, I was just sitting here relaxing and kind of thinking about where does the word Weihnachten, Christmas, come from? And to be honest, I have absolutely no clue. So the first place my mind went was, what if it was misspelled as Weihnachten, the nights of wine? That would make sense. Although my question would be, how many nights are we talking? Because this could get to be a lot of wine. So to resolve this issue, I went on a secret mission to parts unknown. Alright, so we got our bottle of wine. Let's open this baby. Woo! Alright. Can I twist it off? Maybe this is what blankets are for. Or maybe I need a bottle opener. Whoa, who would have thought? Alright, got my bottle opener. You ready? Oh gosh, I'm doing this in the living room. A moment to clean up. Ooh, it's everywhere. Carlie, listen to your adult self. I'll tell you what, there are no more unopened bottles allowed in here. So weihen means to sanctify, dedicate, or consecrate, which seems very consistent with the theme of Christmas. It's a very important religious holiday for the Christians. And then Nachten is still nights. So just to make sure we have it right, let's look it up in the dictionary. We're going to be using the Wahres Deutsches Wörterbuch for this. Okay, Weihnachten. Weihnachten. Okay, Weihnachten. It is from Mittelhochdeutsch, Middle High German. And the original phrase was Weihnachten.
Weihnachten, which means in den heiligen Nächten, which means during the holy nights. Weihnacht. In den Rauhnächten, Winternächten, Weihnacht. So the consecration nights, the Midwinternächten, midwinter nights. And this really makes me wonder if this origin actually has a little bit to do with the pagan, with Christmas being scheduled simultaneously with the pagan Midwinter Fest. That's possible. And I hope I said Weihnachten correct. Weihnachten. So there you have it. That's where the word Weihnachten comes from. It is from Mittelhochdeutsch, Middle High German, and it means it started out as Weihnachten, in den heiligen Nächten, which is during the holy nights. And says during the holy nights. So now I think many of us will be celebrating the holy nights, maybe with wine, maybe not, because it's not really the Weihnachten. So I hope no matter what holiday you celebrate, you are enjoying the holiday season this winter, despite COVID.
So I hope that was enlightening and perhaps a little amusing. And I hope you have a frohe Weihnachten.